Hello everyone, this is Diamond Sodi from Canwings Consultants Private Limited. Welcome to my weekly YouTube session. This particular session is going to be about the new visa that is to be introduced by Australia. Interestingly, this new visa is supposed to come into effect in the end of September, somewhere around 30th of September, and this is going to be called the agriculture visa, which is basically going to bring in workers from overseas or offshore in the fields of farming, fisheries, forestry, and meat processing. So they're going to be basically calling in people who are skilled labor, semi-skilled labor to fill in the shortages in the agriculture sector of Australia. Now, the Agriculture Minister, Mr. David Littleproud, had earlier announced that this visa will be put in place, and yes, they have lived up to their promise, and in September this visa will become operational. As many of you may be aware that earlier a lot of the farm assisting jobs were filled by the UK backpackers through the backpacking visa, which is also popularly known as the holiday maker visa. Now, what has happened in the past is, what has changed is that recently, earlier it was a requirement for the UK backpackers to work in farms, assist in the farming operations as part of their visa. Now this condition has been removed, which means that there is a shortage in the people who will be working on the farms. And interestingly, currently, the Australian agriculture sector is facing a skilled and semi-skilled labor shortage of approximately 30,000 people. And of course, the Australians are worried how to make up for this shortfall since they do not have enough Australian manpower to make up for this shortage. Therefore, they have no choice than to create a visa getting people from Asian or Southeast Asian countries to come in, work on the farms, and eventually a visa that will be leading to their permanent residence as well. So that's really interesting that not only will you get an opportunity to work in Australia, you will also get a pathway to permanent residence. Now, a lot of people may have questions about a lot of unclarity surrounding this visa, such as what will be the eligibility for the visa, what will be the qualification, will any IELTS be required, what kind of work experience will be required, how will one end up getting permanent residence through this visa, and most importantly, what are the countries who will be eligible for this visa. So currently Australia is still in the process of bilateral talks with the countries, and very soon we will have information on the participating countries. And the Australians are pretty hopeful about meeting this shortfall in the agriculture sector by Christmas. They do intend to get in offshore workers into Australia by Christmas, which is their before the harvesting season. But we do not know how successful they would be in doing so, because there's certain limitations to that. First of all, there is a border capping. As you're aware that the borders of Australia are currently closed. So how many people are they able to get into Australia on this visa is yet to be seen. And then there is also the limited quarantine facility available with the states. So states need to obviously ensure that they have enough facility to quarantine those who are coming in. So depending on those factors, the number of people who will be initially able to enter Australia on this visa is yet to be announced. But one thing for sure that you do need to understand with this move, with this initiative, is that as opposed to a very popular belief with a lot of people that Australia is kind of close to offshore applicants, it's not keen on getting overseas applicants, it's more focused on onshore migration, I think that myth stands dispelled. With this initiative, with this move, one thing is very clear, that Australia heavily relies upon foreign workers for the farming operations, and of course for development of its economy through professional occupations as well. So the purpose of this video, even if you're not somebody who's related to farming, this video would still mean a lot to you in the sense that it will give you a lot of clarity into Australia's take on getting foreign workers overseas into Australia as soon as possible. So if you have any queries, please do email us. I do insist you send us your CVs on canwings@gmail.com, that is CAANWINGS@gmail.com, or send us your query through WhatsApp or give us a call on 78498 We will be very happy to look at your CVs, and though we're not in the position to actually tell you at this point of time whether you would be eligible for this visa or not, because we're not even sure what countries are going to be participating in this visa, we can definitely look into your CV and let you know as soon as we have more details. And once we have your data with us, we can immediately process the applications if India is listed on the listed countries, and if you happen to be meeting the eligibility criteria that they will be announcing soon. So do keep a watch out for this visa, which is going to be rolled down in just about a month's time. And until next time, take care and bye-bye.